Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an invoice system on Wix for your business. So for this, I'm here on Wix dashboard. Okay, so over the left side, we have this get paid option. Move your cursor over getting paid and then click on invoices. From here, you need to enter just minimum details of your business. Like click on get started, and here you need to enter your business email and your business name. Enter that detail here, and then you will be directed to this page. Okay, so here you need to enter the issue date and the due date. Then you need to enter the customer contact, then invoice title, and from here you can customize the invite and then you can send them and getting paid. So this is the simplest way to make invoices and getting paid on Wix for your business. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.